Hello everyone, we are Beginners Byte. I'm here with Max, and today we are going to learn about hexadecimal numbers.
Hey Linus, now I've seen something weird. I saw a color code that looked like this F5733. What is that?
That, my friend, is hexadecimal, or just hex for short.
Hex? Like a magic spell?
Not quite. Hex is another number system, just like binary and decimal, but it's based on 16.
Wait, so binary base 2, decimal is base 10, and now hex is base 16?
Exactly. That means instead of just 0 to 9, hex uses 16 symbols, 0 to 9, and then A to F. So it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we move on to alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F.
Hold on. You are telling me that A equals to 10 and B equals to 11 and so on?
Yep, all the way up to F, which equals to 15. After that, it keeps going like decimal, just with base 16.
Okay, this is starting to feel powerful. So why do computers even use hex?
Great question, Max. It's mostly used as a shortcut for binary. It's way easier to write big binary numbers in hex, and you will see it all over coding, color codes, memory addressing, and more.
Alright, now can you teach me how to use this magic system?
Okay, Max, give me a hexadecimal number, please.
Okay, Linus. I choose the F58A.
Oh, good one. Let's break it down step by step. F58A has 4 digits. And since hexadecimal is based on 16, we will assign each digit a power of 16, starting from the right. 16 in power of 0 equals to 1, and A is 10 in hexadecimal. 10 multiplied by 1 is 10. And 16 in power of 1 equals to 16, and the next digit next to A is 8, so we multiply them together, which equals to 128. The next one would be 16 in power of 2, which equals to 36. 36 times 5, which equals to 1280. Then we have 16 in power of 3, which equals to 4096 multiplied by 15, because F equals 15 is 61,440. So now we just add them up. We have 10, 128, 1280, 61,440, and if we add them up together would equal to 62,858.
Oh my god, that's so easy. Now it's my turn. Can you give me a hexadecimal number?
Try this one. AB1.
Oh, so go from right to left. It's 1, B, and A. Now, 1, it's equal to 16 in power of 0 multiplied to 1. It's equal to 1. Then B, it should be in second place and it has 16 in power of 1. And the B, it's equal to 11, I think.
That's correct.
Okay. And it's 176. And then we have A. It has the third place, and it should be 16 power of 2 to multiply. A, it's equal to 10. Yeah, A, it's equal to 10. And then 16 power of 2 multiplied to 10, it's equals to 2560. 2516. And now we have to add them up. It's turn to, if we add them up, it should be 2737.
Well done, Max. You are a quick learner.
Thank you, Linus. I've got a twist for you. We have been turning hex to decimal, But if I have a regular decimal number like 145, how do I turn that into hex?
Great question. Now we are flipping the process. To convert decimal to hexadecimal, we use this trick. You divide by 16 and write down the remaining each time.
Oh, just like binary.
Exactly. And if you haven't watched our previous video about binary to decimal and decimal to binary, please click the link on the right hand corner. And since you are there, please subscribe. Let's get back to the lesson. So, this time, instead of dividing by 2, like we did for binary, we are dividing it by 16 because hexadecimal is based on 16. Let's do it with your number 145. We have 145. What we do is we divide it by 16. The remainder is 1. Then we get the 9 and we divide it by 16, which equals to 0. Remainder 9. Now we take the remainers from bottom to top. So we have 9 and then 1. So 145 in hex is 91. But don't mistake hexadecimal 91 to decimal 91. Again, hexadecimal is based on 16 digits, but decimal numbers are based in 10.
That's it? Just divide and track reminders?
Yep. And if you ever get a remainder above 9, you turn it into a letter A, which equals to 10, 11 equals to B, so on and so forth until you get to the 15, which equals to F.
Okay, now can I try one of them?
Of course you can. Can you convert 26 to hexadecimal, please?
Okay, now we have 26. 26 divided by 16, it equals 1, and the remainder is 10. Okay, then 10 divided by 16, it's equals 0, and the remainder is 10. Okay, we have now 1 and 10. 10 it's equal A, and it's 1. A1.
Boom! You nailed it, Max. And thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe and ring the dingly bell, please.
And don't forget to put some comments on our videos. And if you like it, please share our videos to your computer science friends.